Our frogs are doing really well, but they're hiding. Let's see if we can find them. Oh, I saw a head pop up. Oh, there's one. One of them is inside. Oh, he came out. There they are. Let's feed them. This is their food. And they only need 2 each for 3 days. There's a little hole at the top, and I'll put in 1, 2, and then 2 for the other frog. Let's see, are they going to go up and get them? They haven't been fed in a couple days. I don't know if they're not sure what to think right here. Oh, I need another one. Okay, are you guys gonna go get them? There they are, they're floating on top. Oh, there he goes. Oh, there he goes, it fell. Go get it. Nom, 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 nom. Oh, he's hungry. Sometimes they knock them to the bottom, and I noticed the other one down there tends to be more of a bottom feeder, so he digs through the rocks and he finds the ones that fall. And I think that other one probably got one. Did he eat it? I like when they eat it, their little mouths go wom, 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 wom. Go get one, buddy. There's still some up there. He's hiding inside. What are you doing in there? His little head peeking out. This guy's the aggressive one. He goes up and gets them all. Oh, we got some air. They go up every once in a while and get some air, and then they can hold it for a really long time. They're funny, aren't they? When you come back to school, you can watch them in the nature corner. You could even use a magnifying glass and get real close. See their fun eyes and their webbed feet. Go get some food. So there's our frogs. They're doing really well during our break. Hanging out at Mrs. Carbone's house. Bye, froggies. See you later.